In today's video, I am going to teach you how to offer memberships and packages with Wix paid plans. You'll start by logging into your Wix account and opening the website where you want to add your memberships or packages. Once the site is open, click Edit Site to enter the Wix editor. Next, go to the page that contains your pricing plans element. When you find it, click directly on the Pricing Plans section to select it. After that, click Manage Plans. This will take you to the dashboard where you can create and organize your paid plans. From the menu on the left side of the dashboard, click Catalog, then select Pricing Plans. On this page, click Create a Pricing Plan to begin setting up a new membership or package. Wix will ask what you want to achieve with this plan. Choose the option that matches your business goals. You might select Offer Services, Sell Event Access, Build a Community, Monetize Content, Sell Product Subscriptions, Get Sponsors, or Collect Payments. Pick the option that best fits the type of plan you want to offer. After that, enter a description of the pricing plan you want to create. You can also choose one of the suggested templates if you prefer a faster setup. Once you do that, click Generate to let Wix create an AI-generated plan for you. If you selected a template instead, click Edit so you can customize it. Now review the plan details carefully. Set the name of the plan so it is clear to your visitors. Then enter the pricing information. Choose the billing cycle. Set the duration if needed. This is where you shape the offer your customers will see. So make sure everything is accurate and easy to understand. When you are done, click Save Plan. Your new pricing plan will now be added to your Wix site. Next, return to the Wix editor and review the pricing plans section on your page. Make sure the new membership or package appears the way you want. Then click Preview to check how everything looks from a visitor's perspective. Confirm that the plan displays correctly and that the information is clear. If everything looks good, click Publish to make your pricing plans live on your website so customers can start viewing and purchasing them. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.